Garfield Gordon retained his 5K crown at the Jill Stewart Mobay City Run, while Kemar Leslie avenged his defeat in 2025 to win the 10K event on Sunday at the Harmony Beach in Montego Bay. Tracy and Vernon and Dandy Williams were the women's 5K and 10K winners respectively.
Over 9,000 participants converged in the second city for the 10th staging of the Jill Stewart Mobay City Run, an increase of over 2,000. Participants took part in 3 different categories: the 10K and the 5K run and walk. Despite the 6 a.m. runoff, the participants had to battle the grueling heat throughout the streets of Montego Bay. And as they battled the heat and each other over the course, it was last year's winner, Garfield Gordon, who got the better of the field for the men's 5K to be crowned back-to-back winner. Gordon finished in 15 minutes and 59 seconds ahead of teammate Royal Gordon, who was 25 seconds slower, and Javal Wilson, who was 45 seconds further back.
Well, my race plan was to take the first kilometer easy and then try to pick up the pace, but it did not go as planned. The time was a bit slower this year, but I'm still grateful that I've come out and get the win.
The female winner was Tracy and Vernon of Malden High, who only weeks ago toppled the field as well in the Ward's Mobay Night Run. According to Vernon, who clocked 23 minutes and 39 seconds, she had to pull out all the stops to reach the line first.
There's this thing, like before I run this one, there's this thing in me that you're going to win. And I believe in myself, and I win. It felt great. At one point, I feel like stopping, but something just say keep on, go, don't stop, push. And at the 1K, I felt like stop.
After winning the 10K title in 2024, Kemar Leslie of Rainforest Caribbean was dethroned last year by Kemar Thomas of Sandals Resorts. But Leslie made amends this time around, clocking 34 minutes and 5 seconds for the win. That's 1 minute and 59 seconds better than Thomas, who was second.
The season was going good for me. A lot of intervals. This season around, I did a lot of intervals. I'm mainly a long distance type of guy, so I put in a little bit more interval speed, and it came out good.
Dandy Williams of Pacers Running Club took the female honors in 45 minutes and 5 seconds as she got the better of Shania Fraser of Barrett Immigrations.
It was a wonderful race. I actually paced myself better this time around, and I think I enjoyed it. Other than the crowd coming back when we got to the 5K crowd, it was great.
So after weeks of planning, event founder Janet Silvera could finally breathe a sigh of relief.
I cannot smile. I can smile. It's a great feeling. It's a feeling of satisfaction that you've been rewarded for hard work. Hard work usually pays off, And this is what today has proven to me. That when you go out and you're intentional about what it is that you want to achieve, there's absolutely nothing that can stop you.
The event was managed by the ever-present Running Events.
So persons down here are looking forward to this physical activity program, looking towards contributing to wonderful causes. And we enjoy the space in the second city executing road events. We have never executed a perfect race, and we're always seeing ways of improving what we do. Anytime you see me on the stage starting a race, my mind is always way ahead, checking how I can improve what I see in front of me. So there's room for improvement.
Rio Resorts had the largest number of participants with 2,500. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.